like a Hellcat.
Ayo, what is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to JC Lyngdoh's song. So she just dropped this song today called A Little Love for Christmas, and I'm very much excited and eager to react on this one. And Jessie Lyngdoh is one of my favorite singer, and also the last time I reacted to Kinmo, many of you guys have shown so much of love and support, you know. Thank you so much from deep within my heart. And yeah, without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our sister JC Lindo has for us on the table. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. Also guys, if you love and support my work, please join the membership of this channel. So we have 3 levels in here: spiritual gang, god gang, and god gang OP. So you decide and join according to your affordability and your convenience. It will help me a lot and motivate me a lot. So let's just jump straight into the video. Let's enjoy the ride. Wow. I'm loving it from the beginning itself. The lightings is amazing, and I love her cap.
Give a little love, give a little love, give a little love, my friend.
You know, her voice is so soothing to the ear. It really, you know, touches your heart. I'm loving it for real.
Look all around, there's just too much to be thankful. I'm still alive, yeah, I just gotta be grateful. Maybe we've lived a life of many mistakes, but all we
I'm grateful that I'm alive, or something she said, right? For real. We all gotta be grateful. You know, this year was really tough, and we have survived till this December. That's really great, you know. Thank God.
need is just a Christmas away. You know that it's just not about the presents. It's we go and give back what they're truly missing. Give a little love this Christmas. It will come back to you.
Give a little love this Christmas. It will come back to you. That's really true, you know. When you give good to someone, when you spread peace, love, and positivity around, it will come back to you, you know. If you are spreading hate, if you are spreading negativity, then you are also gonna face the same. You know, what goes around comes around. You know, that's the policy.
A little faith in Christmas. See what it does to you. Give a little love this Christmas. It will come back to you. Have a little faith in Christmas. See what it does to you. And we can sleep so comfortably. A life so blessed, so easily fed. Can we stop thinking about ourselves? Can we start thinking about someone else? You know that it's just not about the presents. Cause we go and give back what they're missing. Give a little love this Christmas. It will come back to you. Have a little faith in Christmas. See what it does to you. Give a little love this Christmas. It will come back to you. Have a little faith in Christmas. See what it does to you.
Yay. A life of giving. Donate here. So guys, I'll leave a link to this one in the description below. And yeah, JC, you are the best. I really love each and every song of yours. You know, you come in with that positive vibe. I'm loving all of your songs, and you are a beautiful soul. Keep making more music. My love and support for you will always remain, you know, unconditional. And shout out to each and everyone who is behind your work, you know, helping you out, especially your friend Alex. He is amazing. And yeah, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you in advance. May God bless you and your family. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. And yeah, man, Northeast for life. Hey, gang.